Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Ayan, today is January 23 yata. I'm not too sure. Basta third week of January na, and we've been in the US for a little more than 3 months. And ngayon pa lang ako nag-start na mamili ng mga gamit na kailangan namin dito sa bahay. If you have been watching my vlogs, nabanggit ko na before na halos fully furnished na yung bahay namin dahil sa mga regalo ng mga relatives namin sa amin. So, we are very thankful, but still we are missing a few items lang, a few little furnitures, ayun. So, yun yung mga pinapamili ko lately. So, I've been buying a lot of stuff, and I thought na I would make this into a mini series dito sa YouTube channel ko. Not so hindi naman bonggang makeover or whatever, ganun. Pero, ayun lang. I just wanted to share with you guys the things that we have been buying para lang may idea rin kayo, ganun. Napanood nyo na yung mga previous vlogs ko, you would know na wala pa rin kaming car. So, it's very difficult for us to buy furniture outside na yung pupunta talaga kami ng a store para i-check out yung furniture, ganun. So, a lot of the things that we bought are from online lang. So, mostly from Amazon and from Walmart. A few things from Target as well. And then I think some things are from different other online stores. Ayun, so pag nakakalabas-labas ako, may nakakasabay ako na may dalang sasakyan. Ayun, nakakabili-bili na rin ako sa ibang mga stores. Pero for the furniture, mostly online store ko lang sila nabili. So, ayun nga, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys, para just in case na you're like me, wala kayong sasakyan, hindi kayo makalabas, and online lang yung basehan nyo ng pag-shopping nyo dito, ayun. Para lang din may idea kayo how the pricing is, how the quality is, siguro mga first impressions, ganun, konting review, kung mahirap bang i-build, paano i-build, yung mga ganun lang. Small things lang naman napapakita ko sa inyo. So, in this first episode, ang una kong papakita sa inyo is the bunk bed that we bought for the kids, and then our small coffee station. Hello guys! So, very sorry for the messy room. Today, ayan, kakauwi ko lang from work. Sorry, nasa gulo. Ayan, kakauwi ko lang from work, and finally, dumating na yung in-order namin na bunk bed for the kids, and we are going to build it tonight. Are you excited? Bunk bed? So, ayan, na-dismantle na ng husband ko yung old bed ng kids. Tinabi muna lahat ng gamit. Ayan. So, bare na yung room. It's a very small room. Sakto lang siya for one person sana. Ayun. Kaya we decided to go with a bunk bed para, you know, space saver. And mas maluwag yung space ng kids. Hindi naman puro kama lang yung kwarto nila. Ayan. Sorry na madilim. Kasi yan lang yung ilaw ng bedroom. Ayan, walang mga ilaw sa ceiling yung mga bedrooms namin. Actually, yung buong bahay, walang ilaw sa ceiling. So, ayan, lampshade lang muna tayo.
Ate, may plushies mo dito, ha? Dito sa side.
Yung baba, pwede nahigaan. Ayos natin.
So, ito yung double deck na binili namin from Walmart. And surprisingly, it's very sturdy. Medyo nagdalawang isip ako kasi may mga bad reviews na hindi daw maganda, ganun. Pero grabe, ang sturdy niya. Kahit yung husband ko nung binibuild namin to, ayun, sabi niya nga sa akin, good choice daw kasi nga ang ganda. Tapos wood siya. So, ayan, ang kapal nung hindi talaga siya maalog. Though merong option na yung para i-connect namin siya sa wall. Parang ganun. Yung merong pwede namin i-hook sa wall. Pero hindi na namin ganoon kasi okay naman siya, super sturdy. So, this is how it looks like. Tapos, sale ko to nabili. So, parang around 225. Parang ganun ko lang siya nabili. So, the kids' room is very small kasi. So, originally, merong single bed dito. And then, nasa floor mattress lang yung isa. But, ayun, we decided that, kukuha na lang namin sila ng each own bed nila, ganun. So, nag-double deck na lang kami para space saver din. So, ayan, and I'm really happy with this. Tas, itong nabili kong, bunk bed. What I like about this is, ayan, pwede siyang bunk, and then pwede rin siyang 2 separate beds. So, ito yung, this part, ayan, pag tinanggal namin tong stairs, pwede namin gawin na 2 bed na magkatabi lang sila. Ayun. Pero since nga maliit yung bedroom ng kids, ayan, bunk bed talaga yung best option. Kasi hindi kakasya na, as you can see, hindi kakasya na 2 bed na magkatabi dito. Hindi na mako-close yung door. Wala nang space. Ayun. Tapos on that side, dyan ko balak ilagay yung toy storage nila. Originally, I was planning on putting the bed here by the window kasi nandyan naman yung original na single bed before. And then on this side, yung parang study table nila. Ganun sana. Pero ayun, ayaw ng husband ko na by the window yung bed. Natatakot daw siya na, baka mahulog yung kids. Pero anyway, ayan, kaya ganyan. And then, yun, papalitan ko na lang that cabinet. Ayun nga, yung toy storage. And then this chair is not supposed to be there. Sa akin yan kinuha lang ni Aiden. Pero ayun, so maliit lang talaga yung space. So we have to work with what we have. Pero pakita ko na lang sa inyo pag dumating yung toy storage. I think tomorrow or in 3 days, madi-deliver na yon. So, dyan ko siya ilalagay. And then, we'll see na lang kung kaya pang maglagay ng small study table nila here on this side. Kasi imomove ko rin naman yung heater nila. Ayan, so, yan yung bunk bed na binild namin ng husband ko. And I'm really happy about it. I just finished building our coffee station. Ayan. So, kulang pa yan. Meron pa akong mga biniling canisters for the coffee and the sugar, ganun, and the tea. Pero hindi pa dumarating. So, for now, yan lang muna. And then, in-unbox ko rin tong regalo ng pamangkit ko sa amin kanina. Pero hindi pala na-record. But anyway, thank you, JB and Cass, for our Starbucks couple mug and yung coffee. Ayan, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng lalagyan for that. Pero, for now, this is how it looks like. Nilagay lang ng asawa ko yung pabango doon. Pero, ayan. And then, down here, we put the kids snacks. Pero papalitan ko yung basket para mag-match siya dun sa aesthetic. Pero ayan, for now, ganyan lang muna. So that's it guys for this vlog. I hope you like this one. And sana nakatulong to sa new immigrants like us who doesn't know kung paano and saan mamimili ng mga gamit para sa bahay. I have several other videos like this na where I am building furniture and buying things for the house. So, abangan nyo lang yon. If you have any other suggestions, comment down below. Kwentuhan lang tayo. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!